regular uniform. The girls wear pink or yellow cuff working smocks, while the boys wear blue or brown sleeveless working vests. Students wear smocks over their outfits. The uniform goes with black leather shoes and knee-high white socks. The bag, snack bag, and ID with a handkerchief complete the attire. For the smocks and vests, no particular color is required in any given day. The regular uniforms are worn from Mondays to Thursdays except on their scheduled PE day. Please take note on how the snack bag is being carried. It is worn across the body so as to free both hands to hold the railings in going up and down the stairs. Thank you.